surprise show, so we don't want them seeing what's going on.
Yeah, he doesn't have any idea this is happening. Actually, I shoot a show for this guy on the 3rd of July here in North Dakota, and he was my first big show I ever had. He's actually still my biggest show I have. And so it was his wedding, and I knew he wanted fireworks, and so I thought, well, why not surprise the guy and give him a show for his wedding?
Why not? It's what you do best.
Right?
All right, let's do this. In what, like 3 minutes?
3 minutes, 36 seconds is when the finale fires. Everything in the show came from either Red Apple, Spirit of 76, or Superior Fireworks, except for these little noise guys. Did not come from either of those three.
So Garrison, where do we get all this noisy stuff from? Do we know a guy who knows a guy, or?
Basically.
Okay.
I wouldn't say if I didn't know.
What, 5 positions in total? Okay. Did you mention how many feet apart they are already?
40.
40
Usually
feet.
I like doing them at 60 feet, but we don't have the space here. We'll be behind this building and be almost to the road over there. So we dropped it down to 40 feet.
And then those trees over there, we didn't want any of those angles with the Comets to kind of go either shoot through those trees or something worse.
Yep.
How many cues are we using here?
There's 135 cues in 3 minutes and 36 seconds.
Guys, the continuity checks are complete. Everything is green lit, which means we are ready to go finally. So I think we're gonna go have some fun there at the reception, and we will see you guys at shoot time. Who knew Garrison and I could be so spiffy? Did anybody guess? Look at these shoes. Look at this. We're really doing it out here.
It's probably the only time anyone will ever get to see me like this.
All right, Garrison, you ready?
Let's go.
Go for it. Bright.
my god.